Patience, something very beautiful word and which we are not understanding what is the exactly meaning of this. If you Google it, the meaning will come. The capacity to accept or tolerate delay, problems, or suffering without becoming annoyed or anxious. So, this way explaining about the patience, but many of us doesn't understand what is the meaning of the patience. Majority of the people, they like to advise somebody or they like to react and show to others that they are in real patience and they will not harm to anybody, and they are the most valuable people and educated people, wise people around the whole world. In this case, I remember one beautiful story. Once upon a time, there was one rich woman who had lots of good status in society, and she lived very peaceful life, and she became famous. She's the one of the woman who not getting angry, who have lots of patience, and she have nice beautiful one housemaid. She is not believing about what people says. She thought, okay, I will check my madam how she is respectful towards to what society is believing. Is she really have lots of patience, or because of I am doing everything without a fail, that's why she is living very comfortably. So let's see what's happened. The servant is working in house and taking care about A to Z all work in the house. This housemaid every day used to wake up earlier than her madam and prepare everything what she needs. So one day she slept up to more late time than her madam wake up. The madam wake up and come and look at the maid room. Still, this lady is snoring and sleeping. Then, and she was asking loud voice, "Are you okay? What happened? Why you asleep until late?" The housemaid says, "Nothing, madam. I just slept off." This wise housemaid noticed the anger from her madam face. Second day she does the same. Third day she does the same. Fourth day also she does the same. Madam got screwed up. She loudly screamed, and this madam grabbed the hair of the maid and banged her head on the wall, and maid start to got bleeding. Now maid running all over the house, running all over the village by saying, "Look at this madam, you people are believing she's the most patient woman in this village. Look at her, she beat me, she beat me, she's the most angriest woman in this world." Like that, she's screaming and shouting all over the village. The old people, hence that day, they start to treat this woman as one of the big bad woman in the whole village. The children once see this woman, they run to their home. "Oh, bad witch coming, bad witch coming." In this way, we can understand many people who try to show that they have lots of patience but really they don't have. The good thing here, we can develop the patience by practicing being mindfulness, start to appreciating good deeds of others, being humble, be polite, acknowledging our own mistakes, loving kindness towards to every living being, because the danger of impatience will create lots of harm to ourselves and others too. Some of us have really true patience compared to many. It's a process that can develop into higher level by doing meditation day by day. You need to have the commitment towards to that goal. If you do the meditation day by day, you can calm down your mind. You can concentrate your mind more than what you have. And be towards to earth, be humble, and better to understand that we all will go through all sufferings in this world. Nobody can escape. Think about the beautiful pond that where don't have single drop of mud. You can mix that water. You can jump to that water. You can do many things to that water, but it will never get mud. It will never get bad color because there is no drop of mud inside that water. So become a crystal clear pond. So your patience will remain. You will never become impatient again. Nobody can make you angry. Nobody can make you crazy. So become a crystal clear pond where there is no drop of mud.